Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to sign out of Microsoft account in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on the account icon and choose Change Account Settings from the list. Go to Related Settings block. Click on the account icon. A new window will open. Go to Devices and click on the device that you need. Enter your password and click on Sign In. If you want to log out of that device, click on Remove this device. A pop-up window will appear. Check I'm ready to remove this device. Click on Remove. The account is removed. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!